Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'll be sharing with you how I did these ornaments, and I have applied rose gold glitter on them, and they have turned out very vibrant. And I also did a canvas. I laid the canvas below when I was pouring, and I caught the drippings on the canvas, and that has turned up great as well. That is in my next video. So in this video I'll just share how I poured on top of the ornaments. I prepped the canvas with white paint. It's 16 by 20 canvas. Spread the paint all over, and this white paint is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics White with 2 parts of floetrol and a little bit of water. And on top of that I laid down oven rack, and I have used the craft sticks and tape to tape the baubles on one end, and also on the rack. Wiped off all the ornaments with the hand sanitizing wipe and let it dry for 1 minute. And the next step was I coated with that white paint and gray paint, some with white and some with gray paint, using Dioxizine Purple. This is Teal Mint and Copper. I will list all the colors below that I'm using, and I have kept the consistency pretty thick, just layering it twice. So the ornaments with the craft sticks, they were a little difficult to have them straight up, but somehow I managed, and I could pour on this big rack about 24 ornaments at one time. So I tried to do the ring pour, and it wasn't coming that good because the paint was dripping on one side more. Right now it might not look good, but later on it turned out perfect when it was all dry. And if I was missing some color on one ornament, I just redid on top so that that color shows up. I just wanted to show you that it's not as per the liking that it is coming up, and the lines are not that defined. And I will share one trick real quick with you all, and you can make it really beautiful with that little trick, and they just turn out beautiful. In the same cup I'm using a different color now, red, copper and teal, making the swirls on one side like turquoise is coming up more. So I will come back to this ornament with a more of purple color later. Somehow this type of painting just is too much relaxing, because we don't have to care about the composition as we do on the canvas, or how about if the ring pour doesn't turn out good. This is just like swirling the colors on and just having some fun. So I coated all the ornaments with the colors. And this is the trick that I was talking about. Just take a spoon and swirl with one color on the top like this. Make those perfect rounds, and they will start dripping, and they just look gorgeous. Look how gorgeous they look. And once it will drop down, it will just give a beautiful pattern. And now it's look like after a few seconds it dropped down, and it just gives a beautiful pattern. and this is the best decision I made on these ornaments, swirling with fluorescent pink color. So this one, when I coated all the ornaments with this pink, it gave it such a great and vibrant look, and it just seemed as if these ornaments are candies or ice pops, just to they just looked so delicious. And if you see how the pink dripped and the design that has come up, to me it was just looking great. And I'll just show you the dried version of how the dried ones look. So, do you think they look like just gorgeous with all that copper gold and different color combinations? This is just, I wanted to show you. I had some rose gold glitter, and with Gorilla Glue I glued it just to give it an extra pop. I did used one coat of Krylon Triple thick glaze, but somehow that didn't cover the bottom part that well. So here with the brush I'm just going over and coating all of this once it was all dry. After 1 week I coated it with polycrylic, Minwax polycrylic, and it turned out great. And all of these ornaments got evenly coated, and I did a giveaway for these ornaments on my Facebook, and one lucky winner got these, and she was really happy. So I hope you like these, and if you want to see the canvas of how the canvas turned out, that was so beautiful as well. If you like the contents, give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel for your support. Thank you. Bye.